Hello guys, this is Lokesh and welcome to Loketech channel. And today in this video we are going to unbox the best budget soldering rod, and I bought it from Amazon, and you can see the Amazon logo on it, and the quality of the package is good. Okay, then let's unbox it and see what's inside it. Guys, this is the box, and branding mention is aptechdeals. Guys, and here it is given that the product consumes 25 watts and it is available in multicolors, and it is for beginners. I like the box very much. Here it is given to cut and open the box. Okay, then I will cut it and open the box and see what's inside it. Guys, here it is the soldering rod. It looks good. The quality of the rod is also good. The quality of the wire is also good. Let's test the plug. The quality of the plug is very much good. There is no damages to the wire. It fixed it properly. But the grip section is not that much good. It's not that much problem, as you can strict it. Okay, put that aside. This is the tweezer. It is used to pick the small objects which are not able to handle with our hands. Put it aside. And this is the flux, and it is also usually called as paste. This plays an important role. It is used to strict the lead to the components properly, and then the smell of the flux is not that much good as compared to normal flux, and it is better to buy from outside. It costs around 10 to 20 rupees. This is the desoldering wire. It is used to remove the soldering from the components, and I will show you later how it will work. And keep it aside. And this is the lead. The quality of the lead is very much good as compared to the regular lead I use. Okay, then I will open and show you how the quality looks. Keep it aside. This is a stand. I fix it and show you later. Let's keep it aside. And this is the stripper. Generally we all use it to call it as a wire cutter. Okay, then let's cut it out and see how it looks. Guys, this stripper plays an important role because it is used to cut the wire, and it is also used to remove the insulation of the wire so that you can solder the wire with components. The quality of that stripper is good. Guys, you have to remember one thing: the quality of the stripper is always good because it is used to cut the wire. If the quality is not good, you may get electrical shock. So it is better to buy the good quality strippers. Then I will show you how to fix the stand. Okay guys, check the soldering rod once to avoid the electrical shocks and keep it aside. Now I will show you how the stripper will work. Stripper is used to cut the wire as shown in the video, and it is used to remove the insulation of the wire. After removing the insulation, dip the wire in the flux for better soldering. Now solder the wire, dip in the flux and repeat it for all the connections. After connecting all the connections, the light started glowing. Let's check it out. Now I will show you how the desoldering wire is useful while removing the soldering connections. By keeping the desoldering wire on the soldered wire, the soldered lead is stick to the desoldering wire and the connection will removed. And repeat it for all the connections and resolder all the components. And the tweezer, this tweezer is used to pick the small objects and burning components in electrical circuits.